Everybody, I want to welcome you back to my channel. I'm here with as you saw by the title, an Ulta unboxing haul. So Ulta had their spring 20% off prestige fragrance, all that jazz, 20% off sale last Thursday, and I finally got my package yesterday, so I figured I'd sit down this morning and really quickly before I head out film an unboxing video. I've never done one of these before, so I thought it'd be cool to try out. And I just from waiting a week, I just don't know how I waited one more day to open this package, but I'm excited to see all the things I picked out in person. And if you want to see the things that I picked out, please stay tuned. I promise I'm gonna try not to touch these bangs 300 times during this video, and hopefully we can get through this quickly. All right, so here's the Ulta box I got. During these sales is the time I typically use my points. This time I use 4,000 points. I am a point hoarder, so it was a big deal for me to let those points go. I did not want to let them go at all whatsoever, but I decided why not get all. I paid this stuff like out of pocket because I did get from Secret Santa a $25 Ulta gift card for around Christmas time. And so all this stuff I paid out of my pocket, $13, which in return, I don't know what Ebates, typically when I do Ebates, I always have a story, sorry. Typically when I do Ebates, they only give me the cash back for the amount I pay. They don't ever include like the discount. Well, sometimes, but this time I hit lucky and they gave me my cash back for the total. So I got $11 cash back, so net pay $2. So I'm anxious to see what's inside. Well, I know what I picked. I'm anxious to actually see it. So first things first, peeking out up at me is the Daisy Marc Jacob. This is the Oh So Fresh Sunshine. This is one of the new ones, and I was like so confused because it's like 4 new ones, and they also have a Daisy Sunshine, but I guess it's not the Oh So Fresh, and I wasn't paying attention, and I had the not the new one, I guess the older one in my cart, but I just randomly went to Ulta before I ordered, and I realized I had the wrong one in my cart, so I ended up getting this one. This is one of those fruity floral scents that I love so much, and I thought this would be a good time to get it. Now I like really all 4 new ones, but this one stood out the most to me. Unique to my collection. I'll show you what the bottle looks like. It's super cute, and it's yellow, and I love yellow, so I thought that I would give this one a go for summertime. It's going to be so nice. The only thing I don't like about these Marc Jacob scents is they don't last as long as me as some of my other perfumes do, but I guess this is because it's an eau de toilette, not a eau de parfum. So there's that. Next I got this Real Techniques brush set that appears to not be closed all the way at the bottom. Anyways, this is what it looks like. This is the Real Techniques Rebel Edge Trio Bronzer, Shadow, and Highlighter Brush Set. Now, I got this because I've been just in the market for new bronzing brushes for no other reason than because I wanted some. And then these are what these look like. I went to Ulta to get this brush, which I still ended up buying, but I didn't order it. I just bought it by itself and used the $3.50 off. This is the NYX, I think it's the Face and Body bronzing brush that came out with those new bronzers that they have, which are also really nice. I might pick those up this week because NYX has 5 times the points until May 4th, and there's also a point multiplier for whichever tier you are at Ulta. So I think I might get those bronzers from NYX. sometimes coming up. But I got this, and she was like, oh, there's a Real Technique set for only $5 more, and you can get 3 brushes. So I'm like, interesting, I'll try that out. But so I was like, well, the 20% off is coming, and so I'll just get it with that. So I got that. Ulta brand has their own skincare line, and I have been picking up a few items from their line. This time I picked up the Ulta Beauty 50 Sun Protection Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Sunscreen Rose Water Setting Spray. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's 3.4 fluid ounces, and I just thought I would give this a go to spray on my face like during the summertime, just for some added SPF protection. And hopefully it works out for me, because I find like my skin does not always like rose water for whatever reason. And that was 50% off with the, and I was able to use the coupon with it as well. And then when I was looking through that whole little Ulta skincare selection that was 50% off, I came across this. It is the Ulta Beauty Complexion Roller Ball with tea tree oil, and it has some good reviews. It's supposed to help revitalize the complexion. It has aloe, which I love, vitamin E, which I also love, which help calm and soothe the skin. So I just thought it would be something to try out, and it was like $5. I got those new nude MAC lip glosses, and I am so excited about that. I picked up 4 of them. I'll go through them really quickly. 3 are cream finish. One is a frost, which it's gonna have to grow on me, I think, but I picked it out, so we'll see. I like the color. I'm not too thrilled about the shimmer, but we'll get to that. So the first one is Low Cut, and it is just a brown, like plain brown lip gloss, which I don't have, I don't think. Next, I think it's gonna be my favorite. It's called Primordial, and it is a peachy brown, yellow, like a yellow nude color, and I just love these on my complexion. Next is Dangerous Curves, and that's what this one looks like. It's more of a like pinky brown type of shade. Yeah, I would describe this like pinky brown. And then last is the shimmer one, and it's called Love Nectar. Love Nectar. Can I talk today? No, I can never talk. And this is what it looked like. It's like a pinky nude with like fine shimmers of pink and crystal looking shimmers, and it's super pretty, and I think I'm gonna like it. I feel like I'm getting old, because young me would have never ever looked in that direction. Next, I just love me some roller balls, and I didn't want to get the full size of this, but this is the Escada Miami Blossom limited edition. Aren't they all? All their scents are limited edition, I feel like. This is another fruity floral scent. I might wear this today. I haven't put on my perfume yet. I was going to wear Flower Bomb, but no, I think I might wear this. I can throw it in my purse and be out the door. Yes, I think I'm gonna wear this today. Let me just put this over here. Lip gloss. I got one foundation. I rarely buy new foundations. I just kind of get what I get and stick with it. But I picked up the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I've been hearing good things about this, I guess, for what, like the past 2 years it's been out, and I never picked it up. Hope I picked the right shades. Chances are slim. Maybe so. So I got the shade Tahoe, which I think is wrong. Because We'll see. Let me see. Oh, so no, it's medium dark too. So yeah, I remember medium dark too. I don't remember Tahoe when I went swatched them in a store before I ordered. So yes, this is the one I picked up. I heard good things about it, and we'll see how it works for me. I did get one thing. Well, not one thing. I got one of the new Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. She came out with 3. Out of the 3, this is the one I like the best. It is called Sunset Aura, and it's just like your standard rose gold highlighter. This box is so cute. If I can open it, yes, here we go. And the packaging is even cuter. Like, look at the sparkle. Oh my god, I need a pressed glitter shadow like this. Yes, I do. I need that in my life. And this is what the color looks like inside. It's like a rosy, like a rose gold, but it does have like some of that pretty gold shift to it. And I think it's gonna look so stinking cute for summer on face and body. And I mentioned in my last haul that I was going to get this, and I finally got it. I'm so excited. So this is the Riviera palette, which we all have seen already. Oh, my sticker's coming off in the back. I think I'm gonna just take that off. I don't need that. It's cuter back here without that anyways. It's probably what it was designed to come off. So this is what the shades look like in case you've been living under a rock and have not seen it. Yes, so I love the layout of this palette because I like how all the mattes are on the bottom, the shimmers are on the top, and this random white shade I might actually get some use out of, but it's a white matte shade. And you don't find that too often in palettes, probably because it's not necessary. But either way, I'm here for this. Oh my god, I already know the first look I'm going to do is going to be Coastline, Bahamas, and Cans, however you pronounce it, like in my crease with Seychelles on my lid. Yes, I might do that tomorrow actually. So that is that. And then last few things I got, oh my god, this video might not be an hour, are sheet masks. I saw someone on Twitter mention these, how they were good, and my sheet mask stash is running low. This is from the brand Momonde. I'm guessing is how they pronounce it. Really don't know. So I got the Flower Lab Essence Mask. They all say that. Sorry. So this one is the one. Girl, how you say that? Calendula. And this one is supposed to, I don't know, it doesn't say. This is a soothing mask that helps relieve skin by moisturizing. They all say that. No, they don't. And this one is the Narcissus mask, and this one is supposed to moisturize that helps replenish skin with bountiful moisture. And then this is the hibiscus. This is one of my favorite flowers to look at. I hate actual flowers. This is intense moisturizing mask that hydrates skin with ample moisture. And then this one is pomegranate. And this one is a vitality mask that helps lively looking skin. Now I have tried some of the standard masks from this brand. Last Christmas I got the mask trio set, and I just love that sleeping calming mask for overnight. That's one of my favorite nighttime masks that sleeping masks that I have been using over the past couple of months, and I really like that one. So that's it. Did not take me forever. I deserve a round of applause for that. Also, stay tuned because my Sephora haul is coming. it's coming and you're gonna want to see what I got. Maybe, maybe not. But that's it for this video. Did you guys buy anything from the Ulta sale? Have you tried any of these products? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that mumbo YouTube jumbo. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.